If you want to truly spoil your cat, then try making a cat-friendly basket brimming with plants that your feline friend will love. Get your hands on a simple cat basket like this. You'll also need some potting mix, a bit of black plastic, some fairly large river pebbles, and to make things really easy, keep an eye out for this Cat Mix Eziplanter in your local nursery, which contains a cat-loving combo of cat mint, catnip, and cat grass.
Coat the basket with clear, waterproof lacquer to protect it from rotting outdoors. Then line the inside of the basket with black plastic. Use a pair of scissors to poke a few drainage holes in the bottom so the basket doesn't collect water. Then fill the basket with potting mix, but not too much. Remember, there still has to be room for your cat. Mould the potting mix so that it roughly follows the contour of the basket and forms a hollow in the centre for your cat to sleep. Then plant out the rim of the basket with cat-loving plants, leaving the hollow and front of the basket empty.
Cats love to chew on cat grass. It helps to keep them happy and healthy and can even eliminate furballs. The other plant which is really lovely to include is catnip because it's so attractive in the garden, but it's also attractive to your cat. Now catnip has lovely grey kind of foliage, but it's also got beautiful purple flowers. And watch your cat purr contentedly when it rubs against it. And then just finally, if you plant a little bit of catnip, your cats will love you for it. And when they rub against it or you crush the leaves, it releases a scent which is euphoric to your cat.
Finally, line the hollow and the front of the basket with river pebbles. Large flat ones work the best.
Place the basket in a sunny spot, let the pebbles warm up in the sun, and it'll be your cat's favourite place to be.